Hey there, happy Monday everybody, Tamir from Fibonacci.com here, new day, new week, it's July 8, 2024, pre-market preparations. We are getting ready together for the coming trading day. How are you this morning, this evening, this afternoon? Wherever you are in the world, say hi, don't be shy. This one, I will just shut him up, yep. Now, hi Shai, hi Yuval, hi Ben, IA, Nancy, Diego, Moshe, thank you very much for joining this live. I do appreciate taking your time and joining me. This pre-market live will be in English because we know the schedule. Monday, Wednesday, pre-market live in English. Tuesday, Thursday, and maybe even Friday, pre-market live in Hebrew. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell because we are going live once again. Midday market halftime show, 11:58 Eastern time and 6:58 Israel time. So make sure you are preparing for that live. Now, if you don't know, my name is Tamir from Fibonacci Traders. This is our YouTube channel. We're almost one step away from 4,500 subscribers. As you can see, more than 1,200 videos already. Each and every day, market recap in English, in Hebrew. During weekends, I post almost 4. Previous weekend, I post 3 videos. The market weekly recap and top stocks to watch. I do everything for my English viewers and of course also for my Hebrew viewers. And we have the Fibonacci Traders Academy playlist for 40 free videos, free Academy playlist, so you can start your journey from the beginning, all about technical analysis and the psychology behind trading. And of course, if you want to take the highest level of trading, you are more than welcome to join the Fibonacci Traders Discord. We have trading floor in Hebrew, we have trading floor in English, we have channels for day traders, channels for swing lounge, options, crypto. Same goes for Hebrew. So join the Fibonacci Traders University and you will become a better trader. I guarantee you will start seeing results pretty quick. And now for the summer, no need to click, just scroll down, check the link in the description below and you will see this limited time offer. If you want to unlock all the Fibonacci Traders secrets in just 60 minutes crash course, if you want to learn how pros predict price movements, as we always say, I want to know where price might be heading next, right? If you want to really discover how to make money through trading, whether it's day trading, whether it's swing trading, long, short, and become consistent, profitable trader, all you need to do is click this here and grab your copy of the 60 minutes Fibonacci Traders crash course, and I will assure you, you will start see things much better, much clearer. So, who is else with me? Hi Samsung, Eric, Orit, Yuval, Nancy, Ben, Ronen, Osher, Avi, IA. Let's check first. Let's check what's going on with the futures. SPY, basically on the 0008, Q, same thing, 008, IWM 057, and the Dow Jones 015. So let's start with by the way, Palantir. I know you will ask about Palantir. This is Palantir now, pre-market. Palantir is up, how much? 2.5% to the upside. This blue area, very tough resistance, breaking above it, and we will see 29 and 31, 34 to the upside. This is how Palantir looks on the weekly. Next resistance is here. Now, pre-market is above this resistance. entering this trend line, this uptrend channel towards the 29.45. NVTS, let's check NVTS. All I want in return, all I ask in return, ladies and gentlemen, just hit the like, subscribe, and of course the notification bell. NVTS, we drew this trend line few weeks back. We are still below this trend line, so no long for now. As long as we will not get, in my opinion, for now, a daily close above the 431, maybe 2 days above the 431, no long on this name. Bearish on the daily, bearish on the weekly. This is the FTI, by the way. And if you don't know, I made a special video on the FTI in the playlist, the Fibonacci Traders Academy playlist. Video specially about the FTI. So make sure you watch it. This is the video about the FTI. It will help you understand where price might be heading next. So what else do we have? What else? MSTR, MicroStrategy. MicroStrategy still inside this downtrend channel, bearish on multi-time frames. As long as we are inside this channel, the way is down. Just put FTI, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, guys and girls, and all in between. Politically correct, right? The FTI, just put it on your chart. Look, if you want to know what's going on MicroStrategy, you don't need to know candlestick analysis, you don't need to know support resistance, you don't need to know trend lines. Just check this time frame. What do you see? Bearish, bearish, and bearish. What else do we have? So for now, nothing much on MicroStrategy. NVTS we talked, MicroStrategy, Adobe. I just want to make sure I'm not forgetting anyone. Adobe looking very, very good. Now, let's check the last 21 trading days. So we'll get more accurate support and resistance. Long continuation towards the 616. As long as you are above the 550, you are good to go and continue long. And of course you have this time frame, bullish on all time frames. As long as you're green, at least on the 4 hours daily and the weekly, you're good to go long on Adobe. CDE, let's check CDE for Ben. Let's check CDE. Cure, I don't know how to say it. Cure mining volume, nice. Broke last Friday, a very tight price action, broke above the upper border of the yellow zone. Now, as long as you're above the 613, bullish on all time frames. Next, we see 670, looking good, looking pretty good. Now let's see, can we get the same price action we saw over here, the same momentum from here to here, to the breakout. It will take us all the way to 821. I will add it to my watch list. Thank you very much for CDE. You see, this is why I love doing these lives. You help me, I help you, we help each other to grow as traders and make money. This is why you need to hit that notification bell, and this is why you need to bring friends and family, because this is the only YouTube channel, and I know thousands of YouTube channels that will help you see things on the technical analysis and how to trade better than 99% of all the rest of the YouTube channels. What else do we have? Hi Ronen, Osher, Avi wants Shopify. Shopify looking good. Shopify, as long as we are above the 65 area, we are good to go long, bullish on all time frames. Next resistance will be this area, the blue trend line together with the 68.20 area, breaking above this trend line, and we are heading towards the upper red trend line to the 70 and the 73. Hi Ronen, Osher, hi. Maybe I'm telling everybody hi twice, maybe three times. Fine by me. ACLS for Chagai, ACLS. If you're already long on this name, The FTI gives you where to put the stop loss. It's a suggestion where to put your stop loss at the 138.48.50 area. If you're not long yet, I would wait. I would wait because all these dojis, I'm not a fond of dojis. Let's see. For now, if you're not long yet, I would wait. If you're already long, the FTI gives you where to put the stop loss. Just a suggestion. You can put it below this, the 140.88, maybe below the 138.50, maybe below the 135. Depends on you, depends on your risk tolerance, and depends on your risk management. What else do we have? Hey Tamir, can you please analyze now after she broke out and got downgraded today? Let's see. Now, pre-market. Where? Fibonacci support, you see? It's all about Fibonacci. Fibonacci gives you where price might be heading next. Look, pre-market, the FTI, it's automatically giving you support and resistance to price for future price action. Look where pre-market is now, at the 778, right? You see it live. Breaking below, downtrend continuation, and you have this gap that will get filled. This gap? No, this gap is not relevant anymore. Why do I have it? This is not relevant anymore. Below the 779, and we will see 757. If you're already long on this name, I would wait to see where price will end up today. Let's check the last 13 days. In my opinion, as long as you are above the 773, this long trend is continuing. You see, 773 needs to hold. Below it, you will see 762. Watch out. But 773 might be a good risk management. What else? Maybe 762 even. 762 or 773, depends on you. What else could you play? On NU and MU. Let's check NU. NU looking pretty good. Look, we have trend line over here. You see this trend line? If you don't see it, put a trend line. You can take Fibonacci trend lines. Look at this. Fibonacci. Let's check it over here. Here or here? Here. Fibonacci trend lines, and as long as you're above this red trend line, you're good to go long. Bullish on all time frames. Friday gave us a very nice bullish candle. 13 is next. Above it, 1340. As long as 1250 needs to hold the support. MU. What about those likes and subscribe, ladies and gentlemen? Once. Yeah, this is feedback from previous live that I made. MU looking bearish. Look, 3 out of 4 time frame bearish. Sell on the daily, below the red line, below the yellow zone. Nothing much. That's it. You see, don't even need to understand candlestick analysis and support and resistance. The FTI gives you everything. Everything. Check the links in the description below. Once you join the gold membership to the Fibonacci Traders Discord, you get access to this amazing tool. Without understanding candlesticks, nothing, right? I don't know what all these colors and all these bars are telling me. I have these 3 out of 4 time frames bearish. We are still below the sell signal, still below the red line. So if I want to go long on this name, no long. Downtrend continuation below the 127 towards 119 and 108. What else do we have? SPNS. Very tough resistance. The 35.30 area, very tough resistance. If you're already long, as long as you're above the 34.44, bullish on all time frames. Next resistance, 36 and 36.70. What else? You should take a look at the setup of BX. Let's check BX. BX, not a fond of this. Nothing much. Without even checking the trend, checking the candles, nothing. Bearish on all time frames, no long for me. Bearish on all time frames. You want to go long? In my opinion, only above 125. But for now, bearish on all time frames. This is how I screen out many stocks. Every weekend I go over 900 names. 900. How do I do it? I don't check candles. I don't check support, resistance. I don't. I just check here. Bearish or bullish? Bearish or bullish? Look at my top stocks to watch. This is how I filter from 900 names. Around less top stocks to watch. I have around 16 or 17, but usually it's around 13, 10, 13. This is how I screen it out. The majority of my 900 stocks, bearish or bullish, bearish or bullish. This is how I filter, and then I go over 100. Let's say I filter from 900 to 100. Then I go over once again, then 100, and then I start reading price action, support, resistance, trend. But the first filter is with this. I don't care what's going on here. I just check here. Bearish on all time frames. That's it. AMD. AMD, nice. Last Friday, almost 5% to the upside. Now let's see continuation above last Friday's highs. And then we will see 180 and then 170, 187.66. And if you're already long, as long as 166 is holding a support, long continuation, 3 out of 4 time frames, bullish. ARM holdings, bullish on all time frames. Now let's check the last 21 trading days. Let's take it to the upside. So we have future support, resistance, and as you can see, long continuation. As long as you're above the one, in my opinion, above the 164 area, long continuation. 197 and 217 are next. Exas from Texas. Exas. What about some likes and subscribe, ladies and gentlemen? Let's grow this channel together. This channel is for everyone to gain from. Just imagine the free knowledge, and everything is here free. Just imagine what you will get once you join the Fibonacci Traders Discord. Just imagine. Exas trying to break above the red line, but in my opinion, look at this. First, bearish on the daily and the weekly. Long, I want to see at least 2 trading days above the 46. What else do we have? ZS, Z-Scaler. Z-Scaler looking good. Bullish on all time frames. As long as you're above the 194 area, long continuation, next resistance 217, and then this gap at the 234 area will get filled. Look how the FTI also helps you identify future gaps. Up, dot. What's going on with AI? It was on my top stocks to watch, so I guess you didn't watch my top stocks to watch. AI was one of them. Uptrend until proven otherwise. As long as you're above the red trend line, broke above the upper border of the yellow zone, bullish on 3 out of 4 time frames. As long as we are above the 28.35 for now, long continuation 31 and 33 inside a very nice uptrend channel. A-Desk, Autodesk, nothing much. Sideways move. Yes, we are bullish on all time frames, but we have sideways move. If you are already long on this name, as long as 241 is holding a support, you're good to continue with the long. Below it, 232. If you're not long yet, I would wait for a break above the 249 and then towards this gap and the 256. Hey Fadi, how are you, my friend? Coin for Yovel. Yovel or Yuval? Yovel. Coin. 3 out of 4 time frames. Bullish. Now let's see where coin is taking us. You have here double bottom scenario, very nice double bottom scenario. If you want to go long, I would wait for a break and a close above the 230. Downtrend continuation, breaking below the 207, and you will see 192. What else do we have? Theme girl, Ronen. Who is Ronen? Ronen? Theme girl likes your movies. Great. Ronen, you have great videos. I don't know who is Ronen, but you just got great feedback. VRT trying to break this downtrend channel, but as you can see, the lower border of the yellow zone, very tough resistance. I would like to see another daily close above the 93 area, and then we can start taking long position slowly on this name. PLTR we talked about in the beginning of this video, Ben. I knew someone will ask about PLTR. We talked about the first name on this video was PLTR, so please once this live is over, go back and check the beginning of this video. VRT we talked about. DPST. Ladies and gentlemen, please ask only one chart, because more people wants to also have chart requests, so just one. This is the X, so the KRE 3X, not good. Go to the KRE, follow the KRE, and then you can trade the DPST. KRE 3 out of 4 time frames bearish. You have this gap, needs to get filled below 47.50. You will see 46, long only above 49. ESTC, Ronen, we also from my top stocks to watch. Once again, let's go back to my YouTube channel. 1 second, if you missed the opening. So once again, this is our Fibonacci Traders YouTube channel. As you can see, we have videos in Hebrew, videos in English, top stocks to watch, top stocks watch list. Check it out. Also the weekly market recap, and of course every day trading day review in English and in Hebrew. Top stocks to watch. If you saw it, ESTC is one of them. 112 needs to hold the support. I'm waiting for a break above the 117.24 towards 124. I wrote the BX. Yeah, it's okay, Osher. No harm done, no right or wrong. You give your idea, I give my idea. I got FOMO with Meta. You got FOMO with Meta? So don't go FOMO with Meta. Why you have FOMO with Meta? Meta looking pretty good. As long as you're above the 522, next resistance 564, and you have trend lines to help you show where price might be heading next, right? Trend lines. As long as these trend lines are holding, especially the red one, long continuation on Meta until proven otherwise. Arik. Chemtech. Let's check Chemtech. It's not that this you can check. I understand your question. I will make it clearer. Let's check Chemtech. Okay, you have trend lines. How you draw trend lines? Lower highs, higher lows, and you got a trend like this, and this, right? Now you have the middle line. What is this middle line? It's another. You have two trends. You have the lower channel and you have the higher channel, the upper channel, right? This is trend. This is uptrend channel. Also, this is uptrend channel. Now, of course, we want to be in this uptrend channel. If we are inside the lower uptrend channel, we might break it down and this uptrend will get finished, right? It's done. But as long as we are inside the upper uptrend channel, we're good to go. Because as long as we are above the lower border of this uptrend channel, all of it, the wider one, the trend is up. So for sure we prefer to be on the left lane of the uptrend channel. It's like the road. If you want to get off a road, right? Most of the world, you take right? And once you take right, you're out of this road. Also here, if you take a right turn from here to here, this is right? You take right turn, you're out. If you don't want to take right, you keep going on the left side. Understand my meaning? This is why I say the left lane is the fastest lane to the upside. I hope I answered your question, Eric. Thank you, Elior. Intel for Faiz. Let's check INTC. We are trying to break here some kind of a consolidation, in my opinion, only above daily close, of course, only above the 32.50. And as we can see, pre-market above it. We need to see it's holding above it, and we are heading towards this gap at the 34.30 to the upside. Amazon. Let's check Amazon. I don't see any likes and subscribes during this live. Maybe we should close it off. What do you say? No likes and subscribes. What's going on? Amazon, uptrend until proven otherwise. This area, the 193 now, is the support. Long continuation towards where? Just put the FTI in your chart. 207 and 217. Wolf. For those who's asking Tesla, I will do Tesla, but you need to watch the weekly market recap. We are talking about this Tesla every day. Every video that I post, Tesla is one of those stocks that we are going through it. Wolf looking good. Above Friday's highs, you will see 674 and 8 to the upside. Tesla, 2 gaps to the downside. Now we need to hold above the 236. 236 is the support. Long continuation above previous week's highs, and we will meet 275 and 304. If you're not long yet on Tesla, wait for a close above the 251. No FOMO. Yes, Tesla gained in the past 4 trading days 26%. But don't forget, Tesla came all the way down from 415, right? Still have another 63% upside potential, maybe more. But in my opinion, some kind of a cool off in this moment will be very healthy. What else? Meta we talked about. No problem, Eric. Thank you very much. Hi, Ata Maxim. How are you today? Hi, Amir. MGY, Magnolia Oil and Gas Corporation. Let's see. 3 out of 4 time frames bearish, so nothing to see here. But anyway, let's analyze it. 25 holding a support, breaking below 24.90. Long only above 25.90 towards 26.60. Hi Avi, thank you very much. MU, we talked about MU. Elior, we talked about MU. Let's check once again. As you can see, futures pushing higher and higher. New all-time highs. pre-market. This is how the 65 minutes looks. Let's check the last 21 candles. Now the 553 and the 552 is the support. Long continuation above last week's highs, and we will see 558. Let's check the QQQ. QQQ, some kind of consolidation. Let's check the last 13 candles. What's going on here? 494 area. Support. Below it, we have a gap over here. Remember, more than 85% of all gaps will get filled throughout time. Long continuation, and 500, 504 will get filled. So once again, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to hit the subscribe, hit the like, hit the notification bell. We are going live once again 11:58, 11:59 New York time, and 6:58, 6:59 Israel time for the midday market halftime show. And check the links in the description below. Choose your path. You don't want to miss this limited time offer. If you want to know how I analyze charts, how I look for A+ setups, how I trade what I see for swing traders, for day trading, how I manage risk, how I add to a winning position. Now with limited time offer, the 60 minutes Fibonacci traders crash course. This is the link. Choose it and you will see things you never saw before. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for joining this video. Hit the like, subscribe. Until the next live, stay safe.